guys, let's do a trade review for the Stock Option King YouTube channel and the Data Driven Trading chat room. And this is where I'm going to show you guys how we alert and how we call out every single play that we take that you see here. We had an amazing April, as you just saw, and now we're into May. So let's get started and let's go over the trades that we took on May 1st. So if you don't know, we take about 3 trades every single day inside our data-driven trading chat room, and 2 trades usually we take in the morning and 1 trade we take in the afternoon. The morning trades, we try to target about 40 to 50 to 60% average, even though that doesn't seem like much next to the 300% SPX trade. 50 to 60% is an amazing home run of trades if you can consistently get 40 to 50 to even 60% every single day. And of course, our SPX trade, or our afternoon trades as we like to call it, or the 350 algo trades, you can call it whatever you need to call it, but these are the boom trades where we try to target about 100 to 500%. But the stuff that makes us different from other chat rooms is trades like SPX. As you see, 300% realized, and that is an average. That is not from the bottom to the top, and you guys will see that in a second. But let's go over the Tesla 395 call trade that we took with our entire team in the boom trade section. As you see on the right side, inside our chat room, we alerted this exactly when we entered the trade. And of course, in just 3 minutes, this trade ended up paying nearly 100% in just 3 minutes, and we capitalized about 60%. That means for every $1,000 that I put into this trade, I made $600 nearly. And look, you could have followed this trade exactly one-to-one with me on the live audio call or inside the chat room. Whatever you prefer is better for you. And then, of course, the next trade that we took on May 1st was the QQQ trade from Raj. As you see, he alerted the 674 calls, around 67 cents. And of course, he sent out the alert right away, as you can see with the timestamps inside the chat. And then these QQQ calls ended up going up nearly 60% in just the next 6 to 7 minutes. And of course, we closed out our position because we're trying to be consistent rather than trying to hit these 200-300% home runs in the morning. In the morning, guys, you need to be more consistent. You need to go for 40 to 50 to maybe even 60% every day. And then, of course, the SPX trade that we've been talking about, as you can see, we took this trade around $1. We alerted it real time inside the 350 algo channel at 356. And we ended up closing these options as they moved up to 250, 350, and then some of it at $6. And of course, these ended up going as high as $7. That means if you would have held from the $1 entry and you closed all the way to the top, you could have turned $1,000 into $7,000 off of just one trade. And let me show you guys some more examples of similar trades that we took with our team. Look, on April 27th, we took an SPX trade that we had an average entry of 50 cents, and this ended up going as high as $1.80. That's over 300% profit. And this SPX trade on April 24th from 65 cents, and these ended up going as high as $3 as well, nearly 500% opportunity. This QQQ trade, we had an average entry of 50 cents, and these options ended up going as high as $3.50. That's 700% opportunity. This SPX trade that we took from 65 cents, these options ended up going as high as $6 plus. That's nearly 1,000% opportunity. Guys, you can play these trades however you want to, but this is how I have played them, right? And I try to go for consistency. That's why I try to exit around 200 to 300%. But as you can see, this QQQ trade, we got in around 35 cents. We exited with 172%, but these ended up going as high as $3, nearly 8x opportunity. right? So there's a lot of opportunities with really, really good trades. If you guys want to follow and join the live trading program for data-driven trading, link is below. Fill out the form, schedule a call with me, and let's see if you're a good fit. We have a 30% off going on right now. If you guys want to join, link is below. Fill out the form. I'll see you guys in the live trading.